Have you ever walked into an office and instantly felt the difference? A clean workspace isn't just about appearances. It directly impacts employee health, productivity, and your company's reputation. But how often should an office be professionally cleaned? Welcome to the FastKlean channel. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert cleaning tips. The ideal cleaning frequency depends on your office size, foot traffic, industry requirements, and whether you have shared spaces. For high-traffic offices like medical practices, co-working spaces, or busy corporate buildings, daily professional cleaning is essential. This includes floors, high-touch surfaces, desks, and communal areas, especially reception spaces, where first impressions count. For most businesses, a weekly professional clean strikes the perfect balance between hygiene and cost. This involves dusting, vacuuming, sanitizing break rooms, and giving meeting spaces and restrooms a refresh. Some areas need monthly deep cleaning. Think office furniture, air vents, windows, or upholstered chairs. Quarterly and annual tasks, like steam cleaning carpets or washing exterior windows, ensure your space stays spotless year-round. Different industries also have unique requirements. Healthcare spaces need daily sanitization, restaurants demand strict hygiene, and tech companies may need specialized cleaning for server rooms. Tailoring the schedule to your industry keeps your workspace safe and compliant. Neglecting professional cleaning leads to dust buildup, poor air quality, and more sick days, not to mention a negative impression on clients. Regular cleaning keeps your office healthier, extends the life of furniture and equipment, and boosts productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the FastKlean channel for more expert cleaning advice.